Hey everyone, my name is Kasim, and today in this video we will be mostly talking about the Ferries module, which is connected with the Kikoto Ferries.com. And in this video I will be going one by one with all the steps and help you to integrate with Kikoto. Kikoto is one of the largest Hispanian company who works in the 4 different countries. They have more than 125 routes to work, and we are official partner with Kikoto. And to get their APIs and to use with our platform, first you need to click on the contact page, and then from this email contact@kikoto.es you need to email them and get the API keys. Once you contact them and provide them a reference that you are using PHPTRAVELS and you need the API keys, definitely they will provide you better support and they will provide you the credentials. After that, you need to log in admin at your platform, and then from the settings page under the modules you need to click on the ferries. Right now we have only the Kikoto. Click on settings and you will receive both credentials from the Kikoto. One is the base URL and other is the barrier token. You need to add both keys over here and then click on the test API connection. And after that, once you see everything is green and you have all these features like the ports and route lookup, timetable, sailing search, fare booking, and all this information, you are all good to go. You just need to click on the markup and add your B2B, B2C markup and select your currency. We normally select with the euro because they are working with the euro currency. And now we need to make the search on the website to see how it works. And definitely you need to enable your payment gateway to receive the payments from your customers, because the booking is going to be issued after the payment only. So now I'm clicking on the ferries. I will select my departure and arrival. You have both options. You can change the departure and the arrival will be based on that. It will call the API on the real time. And then select the date and number of passengers and click on search. Now the system is making call to Kikoto to get the live inventory from their database of available ferries. And now, like we can see, we have got all the ferry details. You can see the available seats and you can select any of them to proceed with the booking. Hit on book now. Since I have logged as an admin, you just need to add your first name, last name, your nationality, and then your number of passport. I'm just adding the dummy details and select the payment gateway and then agree to the booking. Click on book now. I forgot to select the title. These are all necessary. Make sure the dates are valid. Now my reservation is being done. The system is very smart. Now it captures all the details like the traveler details and the details of the Kikoto or the supplier. So you can see we have created successfully invoice ID on the date. Here is the details of the route we have selected. Now we need to proceed to the, you can see the booking is payment is pending and the booking is unpaid. Now we need to, since we have selected credit card, we can change the payment gateway from here. And let's proceed to the payment to make the booking confirm. We have selected Stripe to proceed with the payment. This is a test demo payment. When you make your payment gateway production, your customer has to make the payment on the real time. So this is a test payment. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see we have got the reference ID which is provided by the Kikoto, and we have a locator ID as well. And you can see the booking status is confirmed, the payment status is paid, and this is the transaction ID we have. Your customers can directly download the PDF from here. And under the bookings, let me just take you to the bookings as an admin. You can see you have made this earning from this booking. For the payments and the transaction and all the billing circles, you can directly connect with the Kikoto and they will guide you how that finance works. PHP Travels help you to connect with any supplier on the real time to get the bookings, inventory, and even you can connect your own payment gateway. Since we have all the payment gateways connected in the platform, you just need to enable any one of them. Apologize. Yes. So this is the payment gateways. You need to enable any one of them. And this is all the bookings you get from your clients. You can also edit any of the booking. You can cancel or void and make a refund if the supplier supports the refund. This is the customer traveler details, and this is the booking response we have generated and stored in the database. I hope this video was easy for you. If you have any question, you can just come onto the client panel on app.phptravels.com and submit a support ticket, or maybe you can contact us at info@phptravels.com. My name is Kasim, and I hope it was pretty much easy for you. If you have any questions, you can also make a comments on under this video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.